You say you want peace, but what you really want is escape. That's why you reach for your phone before your eyes even adjust to the light. That's why silence makes you anxious. That's why you distract yourself until you fall asleep, then wake up more tired than before. You're not addicted to your screen. You're addicted to not being alone with yourself. And that, right there, is the war. You've been told that stillness is peace, but your brain, it thinks stillness is danger. When you stop feeding your brain stimulation, the default mode network lights up. That's the part of your brain that handles imagination, self-reflection, and unfortunately, rumination. That's when the voices creep in, the shame, the guilt, the past, all the emotional junk you buried under dopamine hits and fake progress comes rushing to the surface. And your mind panics. Your limbic system kicks in. It doesn't care about your goals. It only cares about comfort. That ancient part of your brain, it's not wired for peace. It's wired for survival. And survival, that means clinging to the familiar, even if the familiar is killing you. That's why stillness feels like static. That's why calm makes your skin crawl. That's why peace doesn't feel peaceful. You've trained your nervous system to depend on chaos, and now you're mistaking numbness for calm. This isn't just about willpower anymore. This is about biology. This is about learning to rewire your mind before it wires you into the grave.